Hello friends, this is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Last so many days we have been hearing the news is LIC IPO is coming. We have been hearing it for the last 5-6 months. Not yet come. There was a rumor that it will be placed at the end of the 2020. Now that it has not come, maybe it will come early 2021. What are the advantages? How much money you have to keep it for the IPO? Whether it is worth investing? What is the history, statistics? I am telling you in this video. Kindly watch the video until the end. What is the IPO size? Likely to be 80,000 crores to 1 lakh crores. With this, government is disinvesting about 10% of its stake. The government's target for disinvestment this year was around 2.1 lakh crores. History of biggest IPOs in India: Coal India, 2010, 15,200 crores. Issue price 245, face value 10, today's market value 124 only. Biggest IPO in the world so far: Saudi Aramco, rupees 2,15,000 crores. It's a petroleum and natural gas company in Saudi Arabia. Biggest IPO in China so far: Alibaba, 1,87,000 crores, listed in New York Stock Exchange. I gave these statistics only to compare how big or how small is the LIC IPO. Now coming to past IPO of government company in India: 2018, HAL sold at 1,240, face value 10. Today's market value, again very less, 811. In view of this past history of HAL being priced at 1,240, my guess LIC is a bigger company, more trusted company, darling of Indian population. Hence, they may keep the IPO price more than 1,240. This is my guess. We will come to know only when the issue comes. What is the amount of money you may have to keep ready for this issue? Minimum amount 15,000 rupees. Maximum amount for retail investors 2 lakh rupees. How many shares you can buy in 15,000 will be decided at the time of the IPO when that is announced. Facts about LIC: total assets around 31 lakh crores. Company's valuation could be 10 lakh crores. It has got 72% market share of the insurance sector out of 24 companies. LIC has around 1.12 lakh employees and the network of agents and advisors 12 lakh, and established in 1956, oldest, biggest insurance company in India. Latest fact: sold more than 2 crore policies in 2020 Corona time. Net profit 2019 was around 30,000 crores. Biggest investor in government securities. It also provides loan to state government and even PSUs. Now regarding LIC IPO, retail investors and employees can be part of the wealth created by the insurer by participating in its equity. With government selling not more than 10% stake in LIC, government will still be the major stakeholder and the owner of LIC. No change in ownership, no impact on the policyholders and employees. LIC subsidiary companies: LIC Housing Finance, listed, IDBI Bank, listed. What is the valuation of peer companies of LIC? LIC PE we come to know only after it mops up the money from the public. Industry PE is 75, HDFC Life 100, SBI Life 53, ICICI Prudential 61, all today's values. LIC strength and weakness you have to know before applying for IPO. Strength, trusted by a large number of people in India, backed by Government of India, biggest insurer with 72% market share. What is the weakness? Low investment returns, low growth rate, ATM of government. What do I mean by this? Whenever government wants money, or government wants to recoup some other company, LIC starts putting his money and the money may or may not come back. Pay more to policyholders, one of the weakness. And one of the biggest weaknesses is government-owned company and the government attitude of the employees. Opportunities, more people will buy policies in the future because slightly it has become more accountable. Threats, not enough data in public because this is going for IPO for the first time. Competition from private players. Right now, market share 72%, but few years back it was 81%. Gradually and definitely the market share will come down because the private players are working aggressively to increase their market share. And one more threat is high NPA in investments. Example, DHFL, ILFS, Yes Bank. So my dear friends, I have told you threats, opportunities, all the details I've told you. That means you have to take a decision at the appropriate time to invest in LIC IPO or not. When the IPO will be announced, we will come back with one more video on more details, and then whether to buy or not, I will be giving you my personal opinion. Based on that, you can take a decision. Friends, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button and also bell icon. If the video is good, press like button. And the information you have seen is good, please type seen in the comment box. If you don't type, I will never come to know whether you have seen this video or not. I request you to comment so that I'll know that you have seen this video. And send it to at least 50 to 100 people so that they too will be able to keep aside that 15,000 or 2 lakh rupees to invest in IPO at the appropriate time when the IPO goes into public. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please share this with large number of people so that they too can take the benefit. Thank you. Bye-bye.